In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Zoho Desk. If you're looking to personalize your experience in Zoho Desk or simply need to operate the platform in a different language, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth transition to the language of your choice. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Zoho Desk account. This is an essential first step, as the language settings are specific to your personal preferences, and you'll need access to your account to make these adjustments. Once you're logged in and at the main dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice the setup icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a menu that offers a wide range of customization options for your Zoho Desk experience. Now that you're in the Setup menu, we're going to navigate over to the Personalization section. This part of Zoho Desk is key for tailoring your workspace to fit your personal needs. Within Personalization, you'll find the Preferences option. Click on Preferences, and you'll be taken to a new page where various settings can be adjusted to make Zoho Desk work specifically for you. On the Preferences page, you'll want to find the Language drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. When you click on the language drop-down, you'll be presented with a list of available languages. Zoho Desk supports quite a few, so be sure to scroll through and find the one that suits your needs best. Whether you're switching to your native language for ease of use or trying out a new one to improve your skills, selecting your desired language is as simple as clicking on it. Once you've made your selection from the list, the next step is to save your changes. It's crucial not to skip this part. Look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the page, and click on it to ensure your language preference is stored. After saving, you should see the interface of Zoho Desk update accordingly. The language of menus, buttons, and other elements will now reflect your choice, providing a more intuitive and comfortable experience as you navigate and use the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Zoho Desk. Should you need to adjust your settings further or switch back to another language, remember that you can return to these settings at any time. This feature is especially handy for multilingual environments or for when different team members require different language settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.